Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala, I'm SEBI certified research analyst. This video I'm going to show you some important candlesticks patterns. So we are discussing on our last videos about candlesticks pattern. So how we can effectively use the candlesticks pattern to trade our intraday and positional kind of strategies or trading you can do in positional and intraday basis. So there will be a lot of candlesticks pattern is there. We are seeing about what are the candlesticks pattern which is more powerful and most important candlesticks patterns. So we are seeing on our session that is the single candlesticks patterns. We know that the candlesticks patterns are single candlesticks pattern and double candlestick pattern and triple candlesticks pattern and even multiple candlesticks pattern. So initially we are studying about the single candlesticks pattern. Here we are going to see about another important single candlesticks pattern. So let's move on to the video, and before that kindly make subscribe my channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And those who are recently we are moving from more than 500 subscribers, and I was thankful to you all those who are subscribed my channel. Because of you only this was possible, and this gives me a very energetic to perform in our YouTube channel. And your support is awesome. So because of you only I'm doing this thing, and anyone who not yet subscribe my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. So on the single candlesticks pattern we are going to see about another important things of the candlesticks pattern, which is called the spinning top. The spinning top that is also a single candlesticks pattern which we can find out there will be a reversal in trend. So the candlesticks pattern which used to find out whether the trend going to be continue or trend going to be reverse. Each and every candlesticks pattern we are using for a trend reversal as well as trend continuation. So which one is suitable? So based on the patterns we are going to analyze. Okay, in the spinning and about another important thing in the single candlesticks pattern, what are the major important candlestick is spinning top, hammer, hanging man, inverted hammer, shooting star, doji at bottom and doji at top, bullish meeting and bearish meeting line. So these four strategies, that is doji at bottom, doji at top, bullish meeting line and bearish meeting line, we have already seen our previous videos. Those who are not yet seen my that videos, go back to the previous videos and check about that videos. And these videos we are going to see about the spinning top. So what is meaning by this spinning top and how the candlestick which forms. So let's what we have already seen, that is a single candlestick pattern, spinning top. Spinning top we are going to see in this video, and previously what we have seen, that is doji at bottom, and what other scenes are doji at top, and other thing bullish meeting line, and bullish meeting line and bearish meeting line. So these are the system bullish meeting and bearish meeting line. These are the trade strategies which we have already seen our previous videos. Those who are bottom, this is bullish meeting line and bearish meeting line bottom. Okay, these are the things which are in another way. So a lot of things are we are going to see, that is spinning top. We are not yet seen that spinning top, and hanging hammer. These are the things which we are going to see in our next videos. Hanging man. So these are the hanging man. So I made a spelling mistake here, don't worry. So let's do that. So okay, so these are the things, and we are going to see hanging man, hammer and inverted hammer and shooting star. So these are the system which we are going to see on our single candlesticks basis. So what are the system we already seen, that is doji at bottom and doji at top, and bullish meeting line and bearish meeting line. So these are the things which we have already seen in our previous videos. Now we are going to see that is the important thing which we are going to see today, the spinning top. So what is spinning top? Spinning top is nothing but if the candle which is forms the smaller in body, either it may be a black candle or it may be a white candle. So okay, the candlestick should be a small in candle, either red or blue. So for example, so which I am going to draw the candlesticks pattern. So small in candle or the wicks. So the wicks for the candle is higher, comparatively higher than the body of the candle. Okay, and if it is a black candle or blue candle, so the body of the candle is very small. The body of the candle is very small and the wicks is slightly higher than the body of the candle. So these are the candles which we called as spinning top. So here, what is the benefit about the spinning top candles? The real, and I can tell you, the spinning top candle is the short candles. Sorry. Let's do that writing. Okay, the small candles, small body with the candle, and the upper and lower shadow is longer than the length of this real body. So if you check that, the candle body is, this is what the body of the candle. This is what the body of the candle. Oh, sorry, let's do that. Just wait. Okay, so the spinning top is nothing but the smaller body candle. So small body of the candle and with higher the wick, the compared to the body of the candle. So high means longer the wick compared to the candle. Okay, so we seen that wick is longer than the body of the candle here also. This is what a candle which is forms a green candle, and this is what a red candle which we can go for a spinning top red candle. So here where the candlesticks forms, so how we are going to find out the trade, and how we are going to find out the reversal in pattern. So these are the basic examples of the spinning top candles. So here where the candlesticks forms and how we are going to take the trade and how we are going to find out the reversal and trade, so that we are going to see on next now. So now the spinning top candle becomes the top reversal pattern. So here, so lots we seen, let's do that. Okay, so how we can compare the spinning top candle with the top reversal pattern. So which we are going to do top reversal pattern with the spinning top reversal pattern. So what is top reversal pattern? So the candlesticks which forms, that is previous trend should be the bullish in trend, and when the candlestick forms between besides the bigger candle, so the spinning top at a top reversal pattern. What is the top reversal pattern? After a rally, so we have to see there will be a rally in the market. After a rally, we find out there will be a big candle which forms in bullish way. So there will be a big candle which forms in a bullish way. After that, we have to find out a black in candle with the forms of the spinning top. Okay, so if it is forms of spinning top candle, so inside the candle, between inside the candle. Okay, so you understand the logic. The rally must be there. So previously the rally, and there will be a big white candle, followed by the spinning top. spinning top. So this forms at the topmost level. So we have to, this is the pattern, we have find out the top reversal. So where we are going to do the trading and how we are waiting for the trade, that is called whenever market breaches this lower level, whenever the market breaches this lower level, so we are going to find out the new trade opportunities. So when market started falling from here, so for example, when the market is started breaking below this low, so we are going to take a right trade opportunity, sell opportunity here, and with the high above the stop loss. So this is the top reversal pattern using the spinning top candle. And even the same, whether the reversal is the top reversal, and we are going to see the bottom reversal also. So what is mean by bottom reversal? So I'll show you bottom reversal. Simply the previous trend should be in down, and we have to find out there will be a candle with the big red in candle. So when forms big red candle at the bottom of the trend, and again we have to wait for the smaller candle which forms a spinning top with having the longer wicks. Okay, so that has also be forms in between the candle, the previous red candle. So what we have seen here, the trend downtrend, sorry, okay, downtrend, and we are following to find out the reversal. So here maybe the reversal of the particular stock or index. So when this kind of pattern forms, this is what a bullish candle. So here the previous candle is bearish when the stock breaches above this level, and this is what we have made in a stop loss, and we are going to follow this as a our buy opportunity. This particular area we are going to follow the buy opportunities here. So here we are going to follow the buy and with the stop loss of this low. So this is called the spinning top becomes a bottom reversal pattern. So here there will be, we are seeing there will be two types of pattern. One is the bullish rally. After that we are finding out the reversal in trend, so using this spinning top candle. And another thing, the bearish rally, we are finding out the bottom reversal. Here we are finding for the buy trend reversal, here we are finding for a sell trend reversal. So this is the spinning top. And another thing, the same spinning top became a evening star and a morning star, so we can use that as a when the market opens gap lower, and then we can use the same. So this video, I hope the reversal pattern of the spinning top, so we seen, so at bottom level as well as the top level. So again, so another spinning top with a become an evening star. So how we can go for a evening star? In the evening star candle forms at the higher than the previous candle. So let's do that. Let's wait for a okay, let's move on to the spinning top become a evening star. So when we are going to follow the only the spinning top, we are using the 4 ways. So evening star, so evening star is nothing but, so the spinning top where it forms. So what we are called is the spinning top. So first of all, the trend must be in bullish, and there will be a big long white in candle. So our next candle which forms higher than our gap above the previous day's high, and next day if the candle forms below the red candle, which we can call it as the spinning top higher than that. So let's do that. So here there will be a spinning top candle. So here you see that there will be a gap between the high. So we've seen the open is gap above, so long white candle and previously trend uptrend and long white candle, and there will be a gap up above the gap up previous candle, gap up above the previous candle, and when the market goes below this level we are going to sell, and this is also be a reversal, evening star reversal. evening star reversal, and previous trend should be upside, and we are finding at the topmost level of reversal. When we are selling there, we are maintaining a stop loss this particular area. And same like that, we can go for a morning star reversal, that is equal direct opposite about the same. So let's do that morning star. So morning star is nothing but when the candle forms, the previous trend should be in down, and sorry, the previous trend should be a down and trend. Previously the stock is falling down, and we find out there will be a big red in candle, big red in candle, and next candle which forms lower than that, and again third candle which forms as a green bullish candle. So here this is the pattern where we are going to see that how became this system works. So this is what the candle and the downtrend which forms, and then there will be a big red candle, there will be a gap down opening, and next candle which crosses above this line, or if it is forms any high, so there should be the buy opportunity, and we are putting the stop loss below this low. So this is what morning star reversal pattern using the spinning candles. So spinning top candles, spinning top, there will be a VINNG spinning top candles. So using these two methods, we can easily find out there will be a big reversal trading opportunity in the market or any stock which forms. So we using the spinning top candles, we can do four kind of ways. So what are the things which we can do in a four ways? That is what morning star, evening star, and the top reversal pattern. So what are the system we are going to do? Top reversal using spinning top, and bottom reversal only alone the spinning top, bottom reversal, and evening star and morning star. So these are the methods which we can apply. So the single candlesticks pattern, about the spinning top candle, the spinning top is, I can tell you, the spinning top is the candle body is very small and wick is high compared to the candle body. If this kind of candlesticks were forms in trending market or trending market, we can find out the reversal in the trend very easiest way. So once you find out this kind of trend in the reversal market, so we can easily follow the trading system. So the next video which I will make for how we can effectively find out this kind of spinning top candles in the stocks. So how it is effectively working for the trade. That's about this video. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. If you like this video, share to your friends and comment on this video if you understood clearly. If you have any other questions, you can comment on this session and make you clear about this system. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.